Dato never at any moment tried to rebel against the government or help the enemies of the state. Kaya talaga kami, we appreciate that because they did not contribute to the hardships to the Moro or to the Christians in Mindanao. They have always stood the line at they have governed. Huwag na lang ito sabihin mo, you go to Maguindanao. It is a vast land. Ang ilang nila doon, palm oil. They own the biggest palm oil doon sa Cotabato. Mayroon silang palm oil plantation. Kaya dito na nga ilangan ng sweldo. Wala man itong problema sa kampanya.